My name is Ian Campbell. I'm from Canada, retired, former research scientist and science manager in the Government of Canada, and always liked archaeology. I have done digs in various places around the world here with my wife, and she's done even more digging than I have. She actually trained as an archaeologist, so this is a lot of fun. It's a Roman site and finding lots of rocks and dirt, but also lots of bits of pottery and other things that are a little bit more interesting than just the rocks and dirt. But it's not really about what you find. It's about discovery a little bit. It's kind of about just being with other people who are happy and enjoying doing the same things. The conditions are field school. You don't expect a luxury hotel. You don't expect luxury anything. You're here to dig. It's manual labor, right? You're going to get dirty, you're going to get wet, you're going to get cold, and you're going to have a lot of fun. So well worth doing. We found it on the Archaeological Institute of America website, one of the few digs available in January. It's a lovely place. We like Alentejo. There's something honest about this region. There's no pretension. No, nothing fake, nothing even really all that touristy. It's just real people doing real work, and it's kind of fun being in this environment for a little while.